welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you the most natural looking undetectable crochet hairstyle, no leave out. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Rockville comb, my 100% Kanekalon braiding hair, and this is $1 hair sis. And I'm also going to be using my hair clips to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, just a straight line, exactly the way I'm doing. I'm just gonna get my scrunchie and secure the rest of the hair in the back, and I'm going to start working with the front first. So I'm going to take my Rockville comb and start sectioning the front. So I'm going to start with the middle part, because you know your girl is going to be wearing a middle part and a side part, but I'm going to make sure my middle part is really nice and clean. And then I'm going to use a scrunchie to secure one of the sides, and I'm going to make sure I have a nice straight line on the side as well. And then I'm going to secure that using a scrunchie just to take the hair out of the way. And then I'm going to take my Rockville comb again and start sectioning the lines. Okay, once I section that section right there, I'm going to secure the rest of the hair out of the way using my hair clip, and then I'm just going to braid it down exactly the way I'm doing, sis. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. And people are always like, Tupo, why you always say these styles are easy? Because they are easy, sis. I mean, if I can do it, anybody can do it. Okay, you just gotta believe in yourself. All you gotta do is try. You can't say you have failed unless you tried, sis, right? In 2024, we are about to be looking cute. While we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for taking your time to subscribe, to like, to share my videos. Oh my gosh, to comment on my videos. Guys, this makes my day every single time. Don't think it is going unnoticed. This right here is everything. So I'm going to go around my head sectioning one straight line, you know, going around my head exactly the way I'm doing. The last corner braid on the side of my head, I'm going to take one of those pieces and braid it down with the rest of the hair in the back, and just braid it down as I'm doing. Very easy, sis. I'm already feeling this braiding pattern. I know for a fact this is going to turn out cutesy, period. Anyway, so once I'm done braiding that first braid, I'm going to braid the remaining of the hair on top of my head, just braid it all the way down. And then once I'm done, I'm going to take that and mix it with the hair in the back, the second line in the back, and just braid it all the way down as well. Okay, so that is all I'm doing, sis. So this is going to be like a round kind of braiding pattern. That way, you know, once I am installing the crochet, it looks really nice and neat and natural. It looks like Miss Tupo One's hair grew overnight or whatever. So that is all I'm doing right there. We're just going round, making this into like a nice donut kind of braid. That's what I call it, a donut kind of braid. And you know, that way installing is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Once I'm done braiding down, I'm just gonna take my coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil mixture and make sure I moisturize my scalp, sis, because you know what? You don't want to be out in the streets itching away. All right, so once I'm done moisturizing my scalp, I'm going to make sure, you know, I just massage my hair or whatever, just to make sure everything is really nice and juicy in it. I'm going to be using this 100% Kanekalon hair. It is a $1 hair. I am going to be using 4 packs. Together it is $4, period. So I'm just gonna cut the little ends right there and, you know, try to make it look as natural as possible. So I wanted it to look realistic. I wanted to look like Miss Tupo here has a blowout, okay, a natural hair blowout, but my hair is long, okay. I'm about to be sectioning out a little piece at a time, exactly the way I'm showing you right here. And I'm going to show you the trick on how you can achieve this natural looking hairstyle. So I'm going to take my crochet needle, place it in, and then open the hook. Take the crochet hair, braiding hair, place it on the hook and pull it out. So once I pull it out, I won't let it go. I want to make sure my fingers go into the little hole right there. And then I'm going to take one of the pieces, okay? So I'm taking one of the strands and then I'm putting it into the little hole and then twisting my fingers and then putting it into the hole again and then pulling it out. The reason why I'm securing it twice is because I don't want it to unravel. I want to make sure I'm good. I'm going to show you guys again. Place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the crochet hair, place it on the hook, pull it out. Once you pull it out, don't let it go, sis. Make sure you are putting your fingers into the hole right there and then taking one of the strands from the crochet hair, place it in and then pull it out, then twisting my fingers and then putting it into the hole again and then pulling it out. So I'm going to take my crochet needle, place it in and then open the hook, take the crochet hair, braiding hair, place it on the hook and pull it out. So once I pull it out, I won't let it go. I want to make sure my fingers go into the little hole right there. So I'm taking one of the strands and then I'm putting it into the little hole and then twisting my fingers and then putting it into the hole again and then pulling it out. Give it a little tug and flip it. Once I pull it up, sis, I want to make sure it looks legit, it looks natural, it looks like it is growing out of my scalp. In the middle right there, we're not about to be doing the little illusion kind of method. We're just doing the basic crochet method that we always do. If you have seen my methods, you already know this is the method that I usually do. So the middle of your head, you gotta make sure you are spacing it out, but the back and the sides, gotta make sure they're nice and tight, okay? So that's all I'm doing right there. Very, very easy. You're gonna place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take your crochet hair, place it on the hook, pull it out, and then once you pull it out, you're not gonna let it go. Open the little hole right there, okay? So open the hole and then take your crochet hair, place it into the hole, twist your fingers exactly the way I'm doing. Place the crochet hair into the hole again and then pull it out. That's all I'm doing right there. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. And you guys can see this braiding pattern right here is very easy to install. It's easier than just braiding your hair all the way to the back because this is going to look really, really natural, sis, okay? That's all we're doing. I'm going to show you guys again the sides right there. You're just gonna have to make sure you come very, very close to your hairline. Take the braiding hair, the little strand of the braiding hair that you sectioned out, place it on the hook and then pull it out. So once you pull it out, don't let it go, okay? Make sure you go into the little hole right there. Take one of the strands and then place it into the hole. Twist your fingers, okay? And then put it in again and then pull it out. I want to make sure it looks legit, it looks natural. So this is how the sides are going to be looking. This is one of the easiest styles that you can do on my channel. You already know I'm always giving you the tea. I'm always giving you the easy styles. I'm always hooking you guys up, period. You're gonna place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take your crochet hair, place it on the hook, pull it out, and then once you pull it out, you're not gonna let it go. Open the little hole right there. Take your crochet hair, place it into the hole, twist your fingers exactly the way I'm doing, and pull it out. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this undetectable, illusion, like the hair, it is growing out of my scalp. Like this is natural. I'm gonna show you guys, okay? Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. All you gotta do is place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the braiding hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. Once you pull it out, taking one of the strands, and then I'm putting it into the little hole, and then twisting my fingers, and then putting it into the hole again, and then pulling it out. So as you guys can see, I'm using my hair clips just to secure the rest of the hair out of the way. That way it does not disturb me while I'm still crocheting the hair in. Make sure once you're getting to the top right there, you are crocheting very close together because you want to make sure the top part looks really, really nice and natural, even if the wind is blowing. So that's all I'm doing right there. Oh my gosh, this hairstyle is already coming through. As you guys can see, the middle part looks really, really well. So once I'm done doing the crochet, I'm just gonna take my scissors. I'm just gonna cut the flyaways at the end. Okay, that's all I'm doing right there, just making sure the hair looks really, really well. taking my Diana brush just to give you guys illusion like this is growing out of my scalp. So I'm just gonna tease the hair using my Diana brush. So just exactly the way I'm doing, making sure I'm going inwards, just making this look as realistic as possible. And I'm going to do the same on the sides as well, sis. Okay, so just teasing the hair. If you do not have a Diana brush, you can actually use the rat tail comb, sis. Okay, that's all I'm doing right there, and I'm gonna do the same on the back as well. So just to make sure I'm teasing the hair going downwards, I'm going to be using the Gummy Professional Edge Control, and I'm just gonna take my brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now, and I'm just gonna make sure my baby hairs are nice and laid, baby, because we're about to be looking cute out in the streets, period. And then I'm going to take my styling strip just to make sure everything is nice and laid and situated. You already know I gotta make sure I take one of our scarves to make sure everything is nice and laid. So I'm using this fancy blue silk scarf. We have a whole lot of silk scarves. You better make sure you check us out. Get one scarf, 2 or 3, sis. Because baby, when I tell you, these scarves you can rock anywhere. You can rock it on a bad hair day. No more bad hair days, because your girl 2-for-1 is providing you with the solution. Okay. Anyway, you can actually rock this on a vacation as well with the matching bikini. I rock one of our scarves with some bikinis. Okay, I'm gonna show you the picture here on the side. You can actually rock them like this as well. Okay, and baby, when I tell you this hairstyle came all the way through, yes, sis, I am living for this natural blowout. I am living for this invisible hairline. I am loving this hairstyle, sis. I am loving how cute this middle part came all the way through. I am just over here like, yes, sis. I am just loving how long this hair is, sis. It comes all the way to my waist. It's like Miss 2-for-1's hair grew overnight, okay? And I am loving how natural it is looking. Can you actually tell that this is crochet, sis? This right here is the biznae, no leave out. I'm gonna show you guys the side part. So I also did an illusion on the side part, honey. So I'm just gonna take the Diana brush and show you guys how I achieved the illusion. And when I tell you it came all the way through as well, yes, sis, I am loving how natural this hair is looking. I am loving how real. Guys, let me know in the comments below if you guys are feeling this hairstyle or whatever. Because baby, you already know Miss 2-for-1 loves some big hair, don't care, and I am feeling it, period. I'm gonna do a half up, half down kind of situation. So I'm gonna take my Diana brush and just make sure the sides are looking really, really nice and realistic. I'm going to give myself another illusion in the front and on the sides right there. And I'm just gonna use my scrunchie to secure it and make this into a bun. And baby, when I tell you this half up, half down kind of situation came all the way through as well, sis, I am over here like, what? This style is coming all the way through. I am loving it. I'm just gonna push the hair to the back and then pull it to the front. Everything just looks cutesy, okay? And then you already know I gotta give you another side. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm gonna put all the hair to the top right there and then use my scrunchie to secure it. And then once I do that, I'm gonna do a little bun kind of action as well. And baby, when I tell you this bun came all the way through, yes, sis, I am loving how natural the sides look. I am loving how natural the back look. We did not leave out any hair on the sides. This is all the braiding hair. And you already know I gotta give you another style, taking a little bit from both sides, so a little bit of hair from both sides, doing a little twist kind of situation going all the way down. And then I'm just gonna use some rubber bands to secure the bottom. And I'm going to do the same on the other side, okay? So just taking a little bit from the side, exactly the way I'm doing right there, and then twisting it all the way down and using a rubber band to secure it. And then I'm just gonna turn around and take both sides and put them together using my scrunchie to secure it. And baby, when I tell you this hairstyle came all the way through as well, I am loving this side swoop kind of situation. I am loving how natural the side part looks. I am loving how natural the front looks. I am just loving how cute this hairstyle came all the way through. And you already know I gotta give you another style. I'm just gonna flip the hair to the middle again, and then it's gonna take the hair all the way to the back and using a scrunchie to secure it. And baby, this style came all the way through as well. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this. Let me know if you guys think Miss 2.1 is looking like a whole lot of money or whatever. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this style. Let me know if this is looking natural. I'm just gonna do a little bun action in the back, sis. And then I'm just gonna take this little accessory and place it on the back of my head. And baby, this hairstyle came all the way through as well. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are feeling this. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to 1 million subscribers, because baby, at this point it is up from here. But make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousins, your besties, your mamas, and your aunts, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.